Hello, hi, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm here out of nowhere. I don't know why I'm here. Yeah, I will tell you why I'm here. Today I want to ask you a question. Do you guys have any interest in programming? Yeah, I know you have interest in programming, that's why you are here. So if you are a means programmer or you want to learn programming, then you must be aware of the language Python. Today I am here for this purpose only. Python has a wonderful library known as Pandas library. Pandas library is a miraculous library which helps us to tabulate the data in the Pandas. Okay, so today I will tell you how to create a very basic data frame using the Pandas library. So to do so, I have a question for you all. First, we have to open our idle in which we create the programs for Python. So first of all, you have to open the idle. Like I am opening Python 3.4, 3.11 64-bit. Okay, it may differ according to your system need. As you all know, this is the interactive mode, but I have to make a program, so I will open my script mode. For opening script mode, you can use the shortcut as Control plus N. Okay, see, this is opened. Now, as you know that without any question we can't begin, so I have a question for you, and I'm pasting that. So you can see the question. The question is, you have to create a data frame having a record of 4 students with columns as roll number, name, marks, and you have to also rename the index section wise. Section wise means student of section A, section B, section C, or respectively. Okay, so I've seen the question. You will be wondering that why I have used this hashtag. In Python language, this hashtag means comments. Means what I have written till now isn't applicable for the interpretation of the code. So these are all in vain. Okay, you can say like that. So I will start from here. Foremost thing which you have to do for using pandas library, you have to import the pandas library. Okay, import doesn't mean installing. Import means importing the library into the Python. For importing pandas library, Python gives us the command as C import pandas as pd. Okay, let me zoom for you, and for which you can see it. Okay, import pandas as pd. Now you will be wondering why I have written this means as pd. As pd I have written to means is my task, because pandas is a big name, so writing it may be a difficult task for us. Okay, import pandas and pd is a statement which you have to write in each and every program for which you are using pandas. Now the next line, it's your choice what you are taking. Okay, like I have taken the record of 4 students who have scored really wonderful marks or may score. Okay, like first of all, I am using the I am using dictionaries to create the data frame. Okay, so you all know how to create a dictionary. I hope so. If not, I will make you know in the further videos. Like I am writing this topper A. Topper A, fine. Topper A I will define it as, and for dictionaries we use this curly braces. Fine. Now 3 columns as roll number, name and marks. Each student will have roll number, name and marks, and we have to make 4 students like that. Okay. So in quotes we will get roll number. Fine. Then for dictionaries we use colon. You will remember colon 1. Now comma, then inverted commas, then we will write name as it is given in the question. Name we can write, like I am taking the example of my class. Like in my class, unfortunately I am only roll number 1, so I will write Abhishek here. Okay, then in the last column it is given as marks, in quotes, don't forget. Fine, colon, and then marks. Marks like what I got in my 10th grade, 95.6 I will write. It doesn't matter what value you take, I'm just taking for reference. Now we have to do same for 4 records. Okay, like I will copy this. Okay, you have to go to the next line. I will paste it simply. Then just edit the details, means topper A will become topper B. Topper B. Then what's happened? Topper B, roll number will become roll number 2. Like in my class, roll number 2 is of a girl named Ananya. So I will write here Ananya, A-N-A-N. And let's assume she got marks 97.6 percentage. Then we had another record, toppers. We could write topper C here. Okay, topper C. Topper C, as you can see, 1, 2, and roll number 3 will be there. In my class, it's of Anmol. Let his marks be 98.4%. Just random values, nothing matters. Okay. Then the last record of topper D. As it was mentioned in the question that we have to take 4 records, so we are bound to that. Roll number 4. Again, roll number 4 is of Anushka, so I will take Anushka for that. And let's assume she got marks 96%. Okay. Let it be 95%. Now see, in the later part of the question, it is told that you have to rename the index section wise. For our ease purpose, we will take a list named topper. Okay, toppers equal to list for the big brackets, and we will put these names. You can see I will zoom it for you. These names, topper A, topper B inside it. Can you figure out why I have taken this topper A, topper B, and topper C, topper D in this? Like when I will mention this, they will be named as indexes. Okay. See what I'm writing. I just copy this. Nothing else. No, I couldn't copy, so I have to write again. So topper A. Let me copy that. Fine. And I have to, by giving commas, I have to write again and again. Like, but remember to mention topper A, topper B, like that. It's common sense you will do, I know. Okay, I have mentioned, I have created the list. Now this was all the formalities that we have given a basic structure to a data frame, but the data frame is still not created. As you can see that I haven't given a single command for the data frame. I have just imported the pandas, I have just made the dictionaries and toppers. If I run this code, I will get nothing. Okay, nothing at all. So the code matters here. You can see. Be focused here, and I will also zoom it that you can see better. For data frame, we can take any variable, like I take df. Okay, df means data frame. We usually take df equal to the command is pd. PD, why I have taken pd? Because I have imported pandas as pd. So pd dot data frame. Data frame, in data frame d is capital, f is capital. As you know that pandas, Python is a case sensitive language. So remember that d is capital, so d should be capital. It shouldn't be small. Okay, the letters which are small should be followed in that way only, like data and f capital and then frame. Okay, fine. Now small brackets inside what I have to enter. Like I have see, now our purpose have made means a lot of easier, because I have mentioned topper A, topper B, topper C, topper D in all one list, that is toppers. Okay, so I will write here toppers means what it means. It means that our data frame will import data from the list named as toppers, and topper list contains further 4 dictionaries which are named as topper A, topper B, topper C, and topper D. Okay. Then a later part of the question tells us to rename the index, so we will write the command index equal to, okay, index equal to C. Then we will write it is a section wise, so we will write section A, section B, section C here, like this. Fine. Section A, like this. Understood? Again, we will do the same. Section B. We will do till section D. Okay. So wait for a minute. Oh, it will be C, I guess. Yeah. Done. Fine. So see, I have given the command. Let me zoom for you. Yeah. See, df equal to pd.dataframe toppers. Toppers have the details index as index section 1, section B, section C. Okay. I hope that you have understood. Now at the last, you have created the data frame. Now this command, okay, is used to create the data frame. But still, I haven't given any command to print that. Okay, fine. So at last, we can say the last nail in the coffin that I have to write print, and inside that, what I have named my data frame? df. Okay, df. Now see, I have made my code. First of all, I would make an analysis from the starting. In the first, there is a question, so these four commands doesn't matter. Okay, they aren't part of the program; they are just comments. If I remove that, no impact will be there. So first of all, the first command begins from here. Import pandas as PD means we have imported pandas as a command in PD. Then we have given four dictionaries containing the data. Then we have made a single list containing the four dictionaries. Then we have to create a data frame. For this, we have assigned the data frame values to a variable on df. Then we have printed the df. Now to show this output, for this we have to save it. Okay, let's save it as, what do you say, ana. Fine, no. Save it as gh. Okay, random values, I don't remember. Gh, I saved it. As you all know, for running that in my PC, I use Control plus F, or you can go here for run command, run module. Fine, F5. Something error is coming. I don't know what. Yeah, wait a minute. Let me rectify what's happening. Okay. Let's see what I have done. The major mistake was that I haven't means given braces there, big brackets. Okay, I guess it will work fine right now. Yeah, see, it's working fine. Okay, so see, a data frame has been created. It has rows as section A, section B, section C, section D, as its index have been modified, and it has columns roll number 1, name, marks. Roll number 1, okay, roll number 1, name, Abhishek, marks you can see. Okay, that's the way of creating data frame. I hope that it was a helpful video for you and you learned the basic steps to create a data frame, some basic commands, how to import pandas, and somewhat else what I have taught in this video. So tuned in for the next video. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you.